everyone. Today we're doing the best mics for gaming / recording, and yeah, we're going in order from cheapest to most expensive. So we got three, on the list today, and yeah. So first we got the blue snowball, which I currently have. It's pretty good. You have three different settings, like you can record 360 sound, or just right in front of you. There's mic in the back. But yeah, next we got the blue yeti, which I'm thinking about upgrading to, because, yeah. Thing I like about it is, what makes it better than the blue snowball is you can plug in headphones to, monitor your own audio, and you can turn down headphone volume with a little thing. Also, you can, turn down, the microphone recording volume on it, too. But yeah, the final and most expensive one for $230 currently is the Rode Procaster Broadcast Dynamic Vocal Microphone. I've never used it. I've heard that it's pretty good though. But yeah, I'd recommend the either Blue Snowball or Blue Yeti. Yeah, I get that, the Blue Snowball's cheap, but the Blue Yeti is probably the better option if you have the dough. I get it, you gotta kind of budget, but yeah. So I've been upgrading my PC so I can kind of record gaming videos. Nothing special yet, so check out my gaming channel. I'm going to be trying to upload more there. But yeah, till then, peace.